All of you mute your mic. Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 2 of chapter number 9, areas of parallelograms and triangles. This is the last session, as this chapter has already it has been deleted for this academic year. We are completing for understanding only. और फर्स्ट सेशन में सारे थ्योरम्स हम लोग कर लिए थे. Now first exercise also we have completed. Now we are going to do some questions from the second exercise and third exercise. This is the first question from the second exercise. In figure 9.15, ABCD is a parallelogram. AE is perpendicular to DC and CF perpendicular to AD. If AB is equals to 16 centimeter, AE is equals to 8 centimeter and CF is equals to 10 centimeter, find AD. So what is the area of parallelogram? Formula class 8 में पढ़े थे.
Base into height.
Very good. Base into height. Right. So ABCD is a parallelogram. So AB is equals to DC. Why?
Opposite sides of the parallelogram.
Right. Opposite sides of parallelogram. So the value of AB is given 16 centimeter. So DC is also equals to 16 centimeter. Now we are going to take base as DC. So DC के respect में altitude क्या होगा?
AE.
Very good, very good. So AE is perpendicular to DC. So area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to DC into AE. Why? Because area of parallelogram formula is base into corresponding height. ठीक है? And the value of DC is 16, AE 8 centimeter दिया हुआ है. So we are going to substitute the values. 16 centimeter into 8 centimeter कितना होगा? 16 into 8.
128.
128 centimeter
128.
square या square centimeter. Okay. So this is the area of parallelogram. Now see, अगर मैं इस पैरेललोग्राम को रोटेट कर देता हूं ऐसे, now see this parallelogram with respect to the base, that is AD. ध्यान से देखो. So what is the formula for area of triangle parallelogram with respect to base AD?
Base into height corresponding.
AD into CF.
Very good. AD into CF. That means using base AD and height CF, the area of parallelogram is equals to AD into CF. So in any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
And already we got the area of parallelogram. So what we will do, we will equate these two values. So what is the value of AD now? What is the value of AD?
Sir, 28.
28 कैसे मिल रहा है रे?
12.8.
128 upon 10, that is 12.8 centimeter, right? So this is the first question of the second exercise. Now we are moving toward the second question. If E, F, G and H are respectively the midpoints of the sides of a parallelogram ABCD, show that area of quadrilateral EFGH is equals to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. Textbook में भी ऐसे लिखा हुआ है, but if you wish you can write quadrilateral here and here parallelogram. So this is the parallelogram ABCD and E is the midpoint of AB, F is the midpoint of BC, G is the midpoint of CD and H is the midpoint of AD. If you remember, we have already proved that this is the parallelogram. So उसी मेथड से हम लोग फिर से इसको parallelogram proof करेंगे. So what we will do, we will join AC and we will join HF. So we'll start with construction. Join AC. Second, join HF. Construction is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see triangle ABC. ध्यान से देखो. Triangle ABC, the yellow color triangle. E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of BC. So what can you say about EF and AC?
EF is
EF is parallel to AC and EF is half of AC.
Okay,
By
EF is
midpoint.
parallel to AC and EF is half of AC. Why?
by midpoint
By
theorem.
midpoint theorem.
Very good, by midpoint theorem. So थोड़ा write up देख लेते हैं आप. In triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of side AB and F is the midpoint of side BC. So therefore EF is equals to half of AC and EF is parallel to AC. Let it be equation number 1, and this is by midpoint theorem. Okay, now let us move toward the another triangle, the green one. H is the midpoint of AD, G is the midpoint of DC. So what you can say about HG?
HG is
HG is half of AC and HG is parallel to AC.
Right, very good. HG is half of AC and HG is parallel to AC. So we can write similarly in triangle ADC we have this one. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can conclude that GH is equals to EF and GH is parallel to EF from 1 and 2. Now after that we can conclude that this quadrilateral EFGH is a parallelogram. Why?
one
In a
pair.
quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram.
Very good. We know that if one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel in a quadrilateral, then it is a parallelogram. Okay, fine. So एक पार्ट हम लोग का हो गया, ये parallelogram proof हो गया. अभी next part देखो. In next part I am going to prove this is a parallelogram. ध्यान से देखो, see my cursor, DHFC या HDCF. First of all, ABCD is a parallelogram, so AD is parallel to BC and AD is equals to BC. Why?
Opposite sides of parallelogram.
Right. So opposite sides of parallelogram. Now AD is equals to BC, we can write half of AD is equals to half of BC. And BC को देखो ध्यान से. In BC, FC is the part of BC. So in place of BC we can write FC. And similarly HD is a part of AD. In place of AD we can write HD. So this will imply half of AD is equals to half of BC and AD parallel to FC. In place of AD you can write directly here HD. So next step में लिख लेते हैं. Half of AD हो जाएगा, half of AD हो जाएगा HD और half of BC हो जाएगा FC. Why? Why half
HG is
of
part of AD.
why
The HG point of
why half of AD is equals to HD?
H is the
Sir,
midpoint
H is
of
the
AD.
midpoint of
Right,
AD.
very good. H is the midpoint of AD and half of BC is equals to FC because F is the midpoint of BC. So whether this step is clear to all of you? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. So we can conclude that this is a parallelogram. See, this is blue colored. Any doubt in this section?
No.
Okay, fine. Now we have studied one property that if a triangle and parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels, then area of triangle is half of the area of parallelogram. So यहाँ पे देखो ध्यान से, this triangle, एक मिनट मैं इसको शेड कर देता हूँ. This one. Are you able to identify the triangle?
Yes, sir.
On the same base HF.
Yes, sir.
HF base पे ये triangle है और ये parallelogram है. So that means area of this triangle is half of the parallelogram. So we will write triangle HGF and parallelogram HDCF are on the same base HF and between the same parallels. So therefore, the area of this triangle is half of the area of parallelogram. Let it be equation number 3. Any doubt in this section?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, अब second वाला parallelogram देख लेते हैं. The second one, this one. इसमें भी ये वाला triangle है, देखो ध्यान से. This is a triangle. I will color it. Now pink color देखो. Same base HF and between the same parallels. जैसे हम लोग इसको पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ किए थे, ये भी पैरेललोग्राम होगा. No need to write, no need to prove once again. We can write directly similarly करके. So area of this triangle is half of the area of this parallelogram. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So we'll write similarly. सीधा लिखेंगे. Similarly, area of this triangle is equals to half of the area of parallelogram HABF. Now we will add this two. ध्यान से देखो. If we add the pink triangle and the white triangle right now, so which figure you will get? Pink and white triangle. If
So
you
a quadratic.
Parallelogram HEFG.
okay, EFGH, right. If we add this two, we'll get EFGH, right. Now if we add this parallelogram and this parallelogram, we'll get full parallelogram. So what we will do, we will add equation number 3 and 4. So we get this result. Now adding this two, just now you told that you will get parallelogram EFGH, and adding this two will get the full parallelogram ABCD. So we'll conclude that area of parallelogram EFGH is equals to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the question number 2. Now we'll move towards question number 3. And this is the last question of this exercise. Not actually. We will do the next exercise questions. सिर्फ 3 questions कर रहे हैं. P and Q are any 2 points lying on the sides DC and AD respectively of a parallelogram ABCD. Show that area of triangle APB is equals to area of triangle BQC. See this figure. P जो है वो DC पे है और Q जो है वो AD पे है, right? And what we have to show that these two triangles are equal in area, right? So ABCD is a parallelogram, P is a point on DC and Q is a point on AD. This is given. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो ये वाला triangle, this triangle, yellow triangle, this triangle and the full parallelogram are on the same base AD, and between the same parallel AB parallel to DC. So what can you say about the area of triangle APB and area of parallelogram ABCD?
Area of triangle is half of the parallelogram.
Right. Area of triangle is half of the area of parallelogram. So let it be equation number 1. Okay. Now take another side. ये green वाला triangle देखो. The green triangle, that is BQC, are on the same base BC and between the same parallel AD parallel to BC. So what can you say about the area of triangle BQC?
Area of triangle BQC is half of the area of parallelogram BCD.
Right, fine, very good. So similarly, triangle BQC and parallelogram ABCD are on the same base BC and between the same parallels. So we conclude that area of triangle BQC is half of area of parallelogram ABCD. So from these two equations, what you can conclude?
Both are equal.
Both
Area
are
of
Right,
triangle APB
triangles ABC.
right, right, very good.
Parallelogram.
So from equation 1 and 2, we get area of triangle APB is equals to area of triangle BQC. So proof हो गया, यही proof करना था. Any doubt in third question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards exercise 9.3 question number 1. इसमें हम लोग 4 questions करेंगे. After that I will give assignment question. Okay. उसके बाद wind up करेंगे chapter. And next class we will do the revision for PT1. That is, we'll start revision of chapter number 1. In figure 9.23, E is any point on the median AD. So AD is the median और E जो है वो कहीं पर भी है. यहाँ पे देखने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि mid point है, but you can take anywhere. So show that this triangle, area of this triangle is equals to this triangle. So how you have to prove? See, AD is the median, so D is the midpoint. D BC का midpoint है. Why?
So AD is the median.
Right, AD is the median. So you see these two triangles are equal in area because we have studied one property that median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area. So जो येलो कलर का जो ट्राइंगल है और जो ग्रीन कलर का जो ट्राइंगल है दोनों एरियाज में इक्वल होंगे. इज दैट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes.
ओके, सो थोड़ा सा राइट अप देख लेते हैं. We'll write in triangle ABC, AD is the median. So area of these two triangles are equal. The reason is that median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area. So let it be equation number 1. This is. अब D midpoint है. So हम लोग ये वाला ट्राइंगल ले लेते हैं. ध्यान से देखो, ट्राइंगल EBC, ED इसका मीडियन होगा. In triangle EBC, ED is the median. This is clear to all of you? Because we
Yes, sir.
it is
Yes, sir.
connected with the midpoint. See this triangle, the shaded triangle. Again, we know that median divides triangle into two triangles of equal area. So these two areas are equal. So let it be equation number 2. Area of triangle EBD is equals to area of triangle ECD. Whether this second equation is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब देखो, अगर ये पूरे ट्राइंगल में द लेफ्ट साइड ट्राइंगल ABD, इसमें अगर ये पिंक वाला ट्राइंगल डिलीट करते हैं तो ये व्हाइट वाला ट्राइंगल मिलेगा. नेम इट. व्हाट इज दैट?
ABD.
Similarly, in triangle, from triangle ACD, if we delete this orange triangle, we'll get this white one. अगर ये माइनस कर देते हैं तो व्हाइट वाला मिल जाएगा. This is ACE. So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 1 and 2 or subtracting 2 from 1. So ध्यान से देखो, दोनों को subtract कर रहे हैं. इसको subtract करने से क्या मिला? ABE. And if you subtract this 2, we'll get ACE. So whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards question number 2. In a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median AD. Show that area of triangle BED is equals to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. So figure बना लेते हैं पहले. See, AD is the median. Median होगा और E is the midpoint of AD. So this is the midpoint of BC. Why?
Sir, AD, because AD is the median.
Right, AD is the median and E is the midpoint of AD already given. Now what we have to show that ये जो triangle है BED, this is 1/4 of full triangle. So let us start the solution. अगर AD median है and we know that median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area, right? So we can say that these two triangles, yellow triangle and green triangle, are equal in area. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we conclude that area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ADC. So can we say that this triangle, the green triangle, is half of the full triangle? क्या बोल सकते हैं हम लोग?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
right.
sir.
Right, क्योंकि दोनों equal है. Similarly, the yellow triangle is also half of the full triangle. Now I want the yellow one, क्योंकि BE जो है वो yellow में ही है. So I will write, इसके लिए तो reason पहले लिख लेते हैं. What reason we have to write for these two?
In a triangle, a median divides two equal triangles in area.
हाँ, okay, fine. Median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area. Now this we can write half of the complete triangle. Any doubt in first equation?
No, sir.
Okay. अब ध्यान से देखो, E already it is given that E is the midpoint of AD. So BE is the median of this triangle, yellow triangle. BE जो है वो yellow triangle का median होगा. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now in triangle ABD, BE is the median. So these two areas are equal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why these two areas are equal?
EB is the median of the triangle.
So median divides triangle into two triangles of equal area. So यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, ये जो दो कलर दिख रहा है ना, ये दोनों जो ट्राइंगल्स हैं वो इक्वल है एरिया में. सो ईच ट्राइंगल विल बी हाफ ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल. फुल ट्राइंगल जो शेडेड वाला है दैट इज अ फुल ट्राइंगल, एंड ऑरेंज वाला जो ट्राइंगल है वो पूरे ट्राइंगल का हाफ होगा. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first we will write these two areas are equal. Now we can write this triangle is half of the full triangle, full shaded one, not the complete triangle. Okay, let it be equation number 2. अभी ध्यान से देखो. Now area of triangle ABD, the value of area of triangle ABD is half of area of triangle ABC. Now this we will substitute here. Okay, एरिया ऑफ
Okay, sir.
ट्राइंगल ABD के प्लेस में ये वाला सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. सो वी विल गेट हाफ इनटू हाफ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. सो हाफ इनटू हाफ,
1/4.
राइट, 1/4. सो ये कैसे है? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 1/4 ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. यही प्रूफ करना था हम लोग को. एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now let us move towards the third question. Show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. So first we will draw the parallelogram. And what is the property of diagonals of parallelogram?
They bisect each other and try
Bisect each
Right,
other.
right, very good. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So we'll first draw the parallelogram and diagonals intersect. Let the diagonals intersect at O. And as we know that the diagonals bisect each other, so O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of BD. Any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
Okay. Now see this triangle. ध्यान से देखो ये वाले ट्राइंगल में ADC. Just now we confirmed that O is the midpoint of AC. Wait, ये वाला, the shaded one. So we can say that DO is the median of this triangle. Any doubt? Because we are
No, sir.
joining the midpoint. O is the midpoint of AC, so DO is the median of this triangle. Okay? So these two areas are equal. Why?
DO is the
Median divides the triangles in equal areas.
Okay, very good. Median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area. Right. So let it be, this is equation number 1 and we are going to write the reason also. Okay, up to here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
now see the unshaded one. Unshaded one. O is the midpoint of AC. So what can you say about BO?
BO is the median.
BO is a
Right.
median.
Similarly, in triangle ABC, OB, that is BO is the median. So ये वाला देखो. Now these two triangles are equal area. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, na? So area of AOB, area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle BOC. Let it be equation number 2. So first or second equation मिल गया. Now we'll take either this triangle or this triangle. So I'm going to take triangle ABD. O is the midpoint of BD. O is the midpoint of BD. Already we have written here. That means AO is the median of this triangle. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
ये orange और blue वाला जो triangles दिख रहे हैं, these two areas are equal by using the same property. So because अभी हम लोग similarly में ही चल रहे हैं, so we can write directly that triangle area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle AOD. Now from equation 1, 2, 3, what we can conclude? That all these 4 triangles are equal in area. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
hence the diagonals of parallelogram divided into 4 triangles of equal area. So this is the proof of the third question. Now we are moving towards the last question of today's session. Fifth question. DEF and F are respectively the midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC, show that BDEF is a parallelogram and area of triangle DEF is equals to one fourth of area of triangle ABC, and the third one, area of parallelogram is equals to half of area of triangle ABC. Okay, so पहले एक diagram बना लेते हैं. We will draw the diagram and we'll mark D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of AB. Now DEF एक triangle मिल रहा है. So what we have to prove in the first bit that this is a parallelogram BDEF. Now see, I will ask one question. Listen carefully. D is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of AC. So what can you say about DE and AB?
D is
Parallel to AC.
AC, yeah.
AB, sir.
DE is parallel to AB and DE is half of AB. By what?
midpoint theorem.
Right,
theorem.
midpoint theorem. Fine. Next, अभी ध्यान से देखो next वाला जो है. Now F is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. So what can you say about FE and BC?
FE and
FE is parallel to BC and
BC
is half of
Right. Very good. FE is parallel to BC and FE is equals to half of BC. So I'm going to use this two midpoints and these two midpoints right now. In triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of BC and AC respectively, and F and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. So therefore, by midpoint theorem, DE is parallel to AB and FE is parallel to BC. I am using only parallel symbol because मुझे parallelogram proof करना है, इसलिए parallel symbols use कर रहा हूँ. Now see carefully. BF is a part of AB, so we can write in place of BA we can write BF. Similarly, BD is a part of BC, so in place of BC we can write BD. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after that, can we conclude this is a parallelogram?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Opposite sides.
Okay. Very good. Opposite sides are parallel, इसलिए वो parallelogram होगा. Okay. Now after this, ध्यान से देखो, ये वाला अभी parallelogram proof किया हम लोग. So what about DF? DF क्या है parallelogram का? Diagonal. DF is a diagonal and we know that diagonal divides parallelogram into two congruent triangles. That means two triangles of equal area. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों triangles का area equal होगा.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we can show this is a parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
And these
Yes,
two
sir.
areas are equal. Similarly, we can show this is a parallelogram and these two areas are equal. फिर से देखो ध्यान से, अभी हम लोग ये शो किए हैं. This we have shown and we can write similarly this is a parallelogram and this is a parallelogram. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
अब देखो, हाँ यहाँ तक क्लियर है. ये तीनों को पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ कर दिया.
Yes.
Any doubt up to here? This topic?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
Okay. Now DF is a diagonal of this parallelogram, so area of these two triangles are equal. Because diagonal divides parallelogram into two triangles of equal area. So this is equal to each other. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next, these two areas are also equal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because we have shown that this is a parallelogram and D is a diagonal, so these two areas are also equal and these two areas are also equal because FE is a diagonal of this parallelogram. So area of these two triangles are equal, area of these two triangles are equal. That means all areas are equal to each other. Any doubt in this part?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So इसका मतलब है ये वाला जो
No,
triangle है,
sir.
the blue color triangle is 1 out of 4 equal parts. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you want to write it in a fraction, so we can write the blue colored triangle is 1/4 of the whole triangle. So we can write directly. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This is the
No,
second
sir.
part. This is the second part. First part we have already shown BDEF is a parallelogram. This is the second part of the question. And the third part we have to show that area of parallelogram is half of triangle, half of full triangle. कैसे देखो? Now these two areas are equal. एक मिनट में पूरा erase कर लेता हूँ. These two areas are equal. Correct? Already
Yes.
proved
Yes,
above.
sir.
Now parallelogram जो है, the area of this parallelogram we can say the double of this blue color triangle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, double of this blue color triangle, that is DEF. Now that I'm going to write the next step. Area of parallelogram BDEF is 2 times area of triangle DEF, and already area of triangle DEF we have shown that this is 1/4 of triangle ABC. This we are going to substitute here. यहाँ पे substitute कर रहे हैं इसको. Now this 2 will be cancelled. ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा और यहाँ कितना मिलेगा? 2.
Two.
So we got half into area of triangle ABC. यही proof करना था last bit में. Any doubt in this section?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So this is the last question of today's session. Already I told you that after completing the this is the 3 questions of assignment questions, and the first one and the second one is very related to your class 8th only. Area of parallelogram निकालना है इसमें, and here we need to find the value of AD. 9.2 का जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किए थे बिल्कुल सिमिलर है, और ये भी easy है. That also you can do. After this assignment question you can leave this chapter. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. So any doubt in today's class?
No, sir.
Now after coming back from school I will export and I will upload in my YouTube channel, and then I will share the link with all of you. You watch once again, understand, and then you can leave it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.